Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start with a clean canvas. In this video, I will explain how to use a vitamin C capsule on your face. First, cleanse your face thoroughly to remove any makeup, dirt, or oils. This ensures maximum absorption of the vitamin C. Next, gently pat your skin dry with a soft, clean towel. It's important that your skin is completely dry before application. Finally, make sure your hands are clean to avoid transferring any bacteria to your face or the capsule. Now, let's get to the application. Carefully twist or snip the top of the vitamin C capsule to open it. Be gentle to avoid spilling the precious serum. Squeeze the entire contents of the capsule onto your clean fingertips. Then, gently massage the serum evenly onto your face and neck, using upward strokes. Focus on areas that need extra brightening or have fine lines. After applying the serum, give it a few minutes to fully absorb into your skin. This allows the active ingredients to penetrate deeply. Once absorbed, follow up with your favorite moisturizer to lock in hydration and create a protective barrier. If you are applying vitamin C in the morning, always finish with a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30. This protects your skin from sun damage. Using vitamin C regularly offers fantastic benefits. It helps to brighten your complexion, reducing the appearance of dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Additionally, vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that boosts collagen production, leading to firmer, more youthful-looking skin. For optimal results, incorporate one capsule into your daily skincare routine, preferably in the morning. Consistency is key to achieving a radiant glow.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.